It's the beer o'clock.
Oh my God, yum. I'm really happy with the sauce. You know, it's reduced so well and it's really sticky and I love the flavour and I think it is perfect. It's so good, oh my God. Maybe Tracy has made the wrong decision in putting me in this immunity challenge. You know, I could possibly beat her. Oh my God, yum. I can win the immunity pin again. I've won it once. Why can't I win it again?
Don't burn that sauce, Laura.
I've checked my bacon and it's not quite crisp. It's really important that this element is nice and crispy. That bacon's not going to get crispy in the oven.
I just need to get in a pan right now.
I need to get it into a pan on some really hot heat.
Just need to now do this in the pan.
The popcorn chicken, I coat the chicken with buttermilk plain flour.
I need to be very careful. Pan's really hot.
Tracy has got a lot going on. There's a lot of elements and she seems quite frantic. Hopefully she gets something up in time.
I really want to get into the chance to win this immunity pin, but I've got so much to do. I'm doing my mayonnaise, but I need to make sure that my bacon doesn't burn. But then I need to get back to my mayonnaise, and I need to make sure my chicken's not going to burn. But then I need to go back to my mayonnaise and make sure that my buns are okay. And I'm back to my mayonnaise. Oh, is the bacon burning? I don't even know if I'm going to get this dish on the plate.
I'm worried about everything. I've got a lot to do, far more than I was hoping to have to do at this stage. I'll definitely fry the rest of the beef off, then I'll reduce this down and use it as a sticky sauce.
Come on, Colin.
Gary said to me that it's probably good if I could get the beef nice and crispy, so deep frying's the only thing that I can think of that's going to make it crispy.
Looks amazing, Colin, well done. My chicken's caramelised beautifully, it's cooked perfectly. I just chuck that into the pan with the sauce and just glaze it a little bit, and then towards the end I'm just going to pour the sauce all over the top of the chicken. But I really need to focus on this polenta, so I need to chuck them into the deep fry and pray that they fry perfectly.
Bar snacks, that's what we want to see. And you've got 5 minutes to go. Come on, let's move.
Five.
Come on, Laura. You've got to work faster.
I've only got 5 minutes left to put all of this together. It's going to be chaos.
It's falling apart.
Tracy's a mess. She's got 101 things she's doing. Her bench is a pigsty, so power apron and the pin. It's probably not looking great.
Oh, hello. Yeah, that's the maple that's left over.
Trace, what's happening? Why are you not plating? Come on. Plate.
3 minutes, Cole.
Come on, Colin.
I take the beef out of the deep fryer, shake off the oil and add it to the frying pan full of the reduced sauce. All I want to do is get a nice glaze on the beef before it goes in the rolls.
Go, Colin.
Please, don't waste this shot at immunity. You've got 2 minutes to go. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
So I've got 2 minutes to go and I'm plating up the chicken. I've got the chicken in the middle, the skewers on, and pour the hot sauce on top. It looks beautiful.
It's absolutely hectic.
Where have my 2 buns gone? Oh, they're there.
Oh, I need to put these buns together, otherwise I won't have anything to give to the judges. So, popcorn chicken, BEER-CANDIED bacon, bacon's crispy, it's so yummy. And the tomato beer relish.
Come on, coleslaw.
They are going to be cracking, they're going to be so yummy and delicious.
Right, come on, guys, 30 seconds. Put it on a plate. Let's go.
The polenta is still in the deep fryer.
Can you mush it?
Just get it on, Laura.
I'm just like, oh my God, I don't have any time left at all. I just quickly throw them onto the plate.
Oh, it's not clean.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Time's up.
I've just thrown my polenta onto the plate and there's this massive oil splat all over the plate and it just looks so horrible and I'm just so upset with myself.
Oh, the presentation's not great.
Went with crispy in the end and it's lovely and sticky and salty and sweet. And yeah, it should be good.
We're all very excited to taste your bar snacks. Tracy, please, come on down.
BEER-CANDIED bacon with popcorn chicken and beer and tomato relish with a slaw.
See, look,
Mine's really kind
a bit rushed together, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sorry. I would have obviously liked to put on the plate with a bit more finesse.
Delicious. Can't stop eating it. You noticed?
Yum. Tracy, delicious. That's a bar snack. Pick it up, yum, all in one go. You get all the sensations. Soft buns, that really lovely sort of charry bacon that's got the flavour of the beer.
And that amazing crunch of the chicken. Beautiful.
Wow, that is good stuff. Good cooking.
Love it. And I think you've used the beer very cleverly.
Well done, Tracy. Great start.
Thank you.
Next up, Colin.
I look down at my plate. It's not really what I had in my head when I started this, but hopefully it's okay.
Wow, that looks really interesting. What is it?
Beef sliders and beer-battered capsicum.
Does this need, would it come with something? Do you dip it into something?
No.
Have you tasted the beef individually?
I had a little bit out of the pan.
It's from the beer, yeah? I'd say it's really bitter.
I'm starting to think I'm not going through today to fight for that immunity pin.
It's not nice at all, Colin. And these here, I think, they need something creamy.
Everything seems to have the same texture to me, sort of like a firm mushiness. When I tasted Tracy's, for example, lots of different textures.
Thanks, Colin.
Obviously, I'm disappointed with the judges' comments. Today wasn't a great cook.
Laura, you're next.
I've got oil splatter everywhere, so I'm so disappointed that it doesn't look perfect and it's not how I want it to look, but the flavour's there. I made POLLO alla BIRRA skewers with polenta chips.
Nice. POLLO meaning chicken, BIRRA meaning beer.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I love it. The whole thing about a bar snack should be that when you see it across the bar, you go, I want one of them.
There's a lot of oil. Is that oil or is that the sauce?
No, that's the sauce. I just accidentally splattered a bit of oil from the fry on
Yeah.
it. Sorry.
That beery, sagey sauce goes so well with those crunchy little cubes of polenta. And that is delicious.
Thank you.
I love it. I absolutely love it, Laura.
Well, it's really delicious. But there's an underlying bitterness to that that's a little bit too strong.
Yep.
It's the only negative.
Cool.
Wow. We've got a battle on our hands, haven't we, Laura?
Yeah.
For someone that hasn't got experience with beer, I thought you did a wonderful job.
Thanks,
Laura. Well done.
Thank
No.
Oh.
Yeah, please.
Oh,
We
okay.
do it here.
Thank you. At the beginning, I was quite flustered and didn't know where I was going with the whole beer thing, and I think I picked myself up really well, and I think I've done a really good job with this challenge.